The cordless belt sander Proxxon BS-A is a battery version of the compact problem solver from the Proxxon Micromont system. In addition to a fast charger and long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the set includes 4 sanding belts in 2 different grits. Thanks to the powerful lithium-ion battery, the belt sander BS-A is immediately ready for use and makes working even easier. The high-quality 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery with its strong 2.6 ampere-hours is equipped with outstanding technological features. Thanks to the fast charge function, the tool is ready to use within 1 hour. Such as electronic cell protection and temperature monitoring to prevent overheating of the battery. The BS-A is excellent for many different types of sanding work, especially in really tight spaces. The belt speed is variably adjustable, easily providing a sanding speed of 200 to 700 meters per minute. The BS-A is particularly suited for mobile use. Changing batteries also allows continuous work too. Importantly, the batteries are interchangeable with any other tool from the Proxxon cordless tool system. At the push of a button, the grinding arm tilts through 60 degrees and can be easily adjusted at the desired angle, making it extremely flexible in use. The accessories from Proxxon's corded tools will also fit on the rest of our standard tools. In this way, you can continue to use any accessories you may have already. If you have another cordless tool as a complete set, the IBS-A, as well as the battery and the rapid charger, can also be purchased separately, saving duplication of cost. The cordless belt sander Proxxon BS-A, greatest power for mobile use. Proxxon tools with character.
This is Hitachi's 3-inch by 21-inch variable speed belt sander, model SB8V2. A belt sander like this is excellent for rapid material removal. Whether you're using it on wood or metal or to grind down paint, this tool is going to have great power, you have lots of control, and it's terrific for any type of project, whether in the house, in the shop, or general contracting. It features a powerful 9-amp motor and a variable speed dial here located at the bottom of the handle. Also, it has a convenient trigger lock so that you can keep the tool running while you're using it for extended periods. This is going to aid with fatigue and allow you to have much greater control so you don't have to worry about pressing the trigger while you're using the sander. When using a belt sander like this, you're going to create a lot of dust. To help with this, Hitachi has provided a dust collection bag, which is easily removed, unzipped, and emptied and placed back on the tool. This will collect most of your dust. However, if you're going to use it inside or in an area that you want to create no dust, you can easily remove the bag, attach a hose from any vacuum or dust collector that you may have at home or in the shop, and then you're going to have practically dust-free sanding. I highly recommend it. The sander also comes equipped with a clear front cover. This allows you to view the belt while you're sanding. It also aids with tracking of the belt. Now what I mean by this is, to get the belt to move and be centered on the sander itself, or to move it left or right to get up close to a corner, you can turn this small knob here. What this will do is adjust the angle of the roller, and that will move the belt left or right so that you can get either tight up to the left or right. And by viewing through this clear window in the front, you'll easily be able to see where the belt is landing within the sander, and also check to make sure that you don't have excessive buildup on the belt itself. Changing the belts on this sander is also extremely simple and easy. Just pull this lever in the middle. It loosens the pulley assemblies that tightens the belt. Simply remove the belt, replace, slide a new one on, snap this lever back, and you're ready to sand again. Hitachi has also improved the drive belt system on this sander. A wear-resistant V-belt doubles the service life of the belt drive. A V-groove design helps resist wear and provides superior tension from the motor to the belt assembly. They have also provided soft gripped handles at the front and the rear of the tool. This will provide a comfortable grip for extended use of the tool. It also comes with a 5-year warranty, so this tool will be around for a long time. I really like a lot of the features that Hitachi has designed into their belt sander here. From the comfort grip to the left side dust collection, really is a well thought out tool. I also like that the tracking knob is easily accessible and you have a clear view through the front window so you can make sure that the belt is aligned properly. I also like that because they've moved the dust collection to the left side, you can easily get up to a tight corner here on the right. We've all used a belt sander and had the bag get in the way of what we're trying to do. That can be really annoying. I think that this is a great sander. It's very comfortable. It's going to be great for long-term use. It's simple. There are no bells and whistles. It's just a die-hard, work-hard belt sander. It'd be great in any woodworking shop, metal fabrication. I think that you'd really like this tool.
Ryobi's pioneering belt sander brings heavy-duty sanding applications into the cordless arena. With a removal rate of up to 700 grams of material per hour, this belt sander will tear through unwanted material, ideal for applications such as sanding doors, tables, and other large areas. The belt sander uses standard 75 by 457 millimeter sanding belts, and its tool-free lever allows fast and convenient sanding belt fitting. Designed with the user in mind, this belt sander has a 3-position front handle, which provides additional control and allows the sander to reach into corners and edges. It also has a dust bag for efficient collection of waste material, keeping the work area clean and tidy. This belt sander is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the ONE+ system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this innovative cordless belt sander will work with any ONE+ battery.
Hi everyone, I'm Pat, and today I'm going to show you the 1/2-inch band file belt sander from Harbor Freight Tools. Other brands on the market sell for up to 5 times more than what you'll pay at Harbor Freight. Featuring a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum body, the 1/2-inch band file belt sander is an extremely useful tool designed to quickly remove stock from scroll cuts, edge work, and other tight areas. The head bracket swivels 180 degrees and utilizes mini belts. 5 belts are included, 1 each of 120 grit, 180 grit, 240 grit, and 2 80 grit belts. Replacement belts are also available through Harbor Freight. Let me show you just how easy the belts are to install. With the cord unplugged, remove the screw and cover here. Turn the slide lock completely to the one side. This reduces the tension on the roller so that the sanding belt can be slipped in easily. Place the sanding belt over the roller and spindle like so. Turn the slide lock so it points to the pulley and applies tension on the sanding belt. Replace the cover and screw. If needed, adjust the tracking of the sanding belt by turning the adjustment screw. I've secured a workpiece in the vise, so with the belt attached, let's go to work. Loosen the screw and adjust the angle for sanding, then plug in the cord. Securely grasp the tool handle like so, and press the switch to the on position. Begin sanding with light pressure to observe the effect. If needed, gradually increase the pressure. When you're finished sanding, turn the switch to the off position and let the motor stop before unplugging it and setting it down. With the ability to adjust the bracket angle and easily install sanding belts with different grits, the 1/2-inch band file belt sander will quickly become an indispensable tool. I'm Pat, and remember, with the right tool, you can do anything. Thanks for watching.